Tarsier. Tarsier is one of the most smallest monkeys in the world, with stick-like heads, long legs for balancing, ears to defend, big eyes, and a head that can rotate up to 180 degrees in each direction, like an owl.
As human beings, the importance of these tiny primates in the ecosystem is the structure of insect communities. Their breeding habits is help to maintaining the part of insect population. Although they are inexpensive, the extent that they are preyed upon by other animals may impact the predator population.
Tarsiers are pretty big creatures. They are endangered species, said to be 4 to 5 million years old. They are one of the smallest primates on Earth, but they can live up to 5 meters away. They are also nocturnal, which means they come out at night and sleep during the day. They eat like bugs, grasshoppers, and beetles.
Tarsier can be found in the Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia and in the Philippines.
And one Philippine island for having this tarsier is Bohol. To learn a bit more about them, let's travel to the Philippine Tarsier and Wildlife Sanctuary in Corral. Let's go!
When we arrived at the man-made forest, it was hot and humid, but we couldn't wait to see what these tarsiers look like in their natural habitat. And taking us through the sanctuary was Carlito, also known as the Tarsier man, who opened the place in 1996 to protect the animals.
There are more than 100 tarsier living here. To find these little guys in the wild can be hard because they so small.
Even trying to zoom in close with my camera proved difficult. So we get some help from Carlito to point a few out. One thing you can't do is get really close to them.
As much as I'd like to hold this little guy behind me, I've been told that they can really get terrified, so I'm not even going to.
But an even bigger threat is extinction.
Here in the sanctuary, we have to eliminate the feral cats and stop cutting trees like that. So we don't allow that.
Habitat destruction is a problem, along with hunting and the illegal pet trade. For illegal acts under Paragraph E, the trading of wildlife, Paragraph F, collecting, hunting, or possessing wildlife, their byproducts and derivatives, and Paragraph G, the gathering or destroying of active nests, nest trees, host plants, and the like of Republic Act 9147, or known as the Wildlife Resources Conservation and Protection Act. The penalties and/or fines shall be imposed will be an imprisonment of 1 year and 1 day to 2 years, and/or a fine of 2,000 to 200,000 if inflicted or undertaken against endangered species. So what's being done to save the tarsier? Well, donations go towards protecting the species and the government helps out a bit too. A captive breeding program has also been set up at the sanctuary. Better control of the tarsier harvest and trade is also needed, as well as the education of local people regarding the ecological importance of the tarsier.